What have you learned? What have you created? These two things are few of the challenges in life, perhaps the focus of this video. Learning is the process of gaining new skill, knowledge, understanding, and value. Learning is an important part of personal development. One of the most rewarding aspects of learning is that it helps you understand the world around you. By gaining knowledge and skill, you can see the world in a different light and gain a deeper understanding of how things work. Do you go to work for your boss 8 to 6 every day and spend time in the evening resting and sleeping? This might be a perfect life cycle if you do earn more than you need. But if you are crazy to make more money, then let's stop wasting time and let's get to business. Don't get me wrong, sleep is important as well as rest. This makes life longer. What I'm trying to say is that you should stop sleeping when you are supposed to learn and be productive. This is what I mean. Learn to work for your boss during the day and work for yourself at night. In other words, find time to build your dreams, regardless of the incessant being around you. While you are resting, learn, read books, watch tutorials, meditate, and write down inspiration. Learning increases your chances of opportunity, and opportunity leads to your destiny. So learn, 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 and learn. Keep learning and never stop. Everyone becomes a boss or a CEO by creating or establishing a business. It is so fulfilling to become a boss and have people work for you. In contrast, not everybody can be a self-boss, but you can be if only you are inspired. You can only create when you know something, and knowledge comes when you learn. To make money in today's economy, you need to take time to learn and create that which gives value. That is, time plus value equals money. I recommend you learn high marketable skills like video editing, graphic design, website design, coding, and data analysis. After learning these skills, you can then build your business around it. That's it. That's what we do. Pretty simple, but it takes time and effort to achieve. If you need money, then start making good use of your time. If you have a good skill, then learn to build a business around that skill. Profits may not come immediately, but trust the process in time. It will pay off. I want you to stop the next time you find yourself wasting time on things that damage you and think about why you are deciding to shrink your life. You are killing yourself. It's not a joke because you can't recycle the time you waste. So use your time and make time work for you. Start living the life of your dream because it is possible. Don't give in to fear. Don't give in to anxiety. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep believing. Your dream is yours. Don't let anybody else stop you. Hey friends, thank you for reaching the end of this video. As you can see, I spent a lot of time scripting this idea and other stuff related. If you get any value from this video, clicking the subscribe button will encourage me to do more. So please subscribe to my channel and stay connected. We meet in the next video. Bye bye.